Hello everyone, this is a quick unboxing. These are the Nike Dunk Low Retro Fossil Rose, size 8. These are actually pretty nice. Nice material. These are just the normal Nike Dunks, not SB. But the material on these are actually pretty nice, I think. If these were my size, I would keep them. But they're not, so I'm gonna quickly sell these. But these are fire. Casual, muted, pretty chill. This actually kind of looks like a purple in the camera. And also like in person. But I don't think that was the intent. Or maybe it was. I really like these, but maybe if I could find it online in my size, I'll keep them. But here they are. They don't come with extra laces. You'll see. Fire. Fire. Alright, peace.